Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know that it has been a hot minute since I have uploaded any informational video, and I just got back from my 2-week Italy trip with my daughter. And before then, we were very busy. I was extremely busy in my studio. I didn't have a chance to record footage and content. And when I got back, I was extremely tired. I wanted to take some days off, and even from my studio as well. So I am completely back, and I am ready to give you guys information and just new techniques that I have adapted. And this video is basically about that. I wanted to show you how I have been doing this exfoliation on the skin when needed, and if I actually have additional time to do this. As you guys can see, this client of mine, she has very dry skin, and I did have time to do it, so I decided to do it. And I noticed that I had also time to record and use this as a video. Also, she was doing a hard gel overlay, so I wanted to also demonstrate that to you guys, because I have adapted a new technique how I apply the hard gel overlay on the nails. So take a look and let me know if any of you have tried this technique before. I know it saves me so much time by doing it this way, and I find it that it's still very, how do I say this? It's still very effective. It doesn't take away any perfection. You still do the filing and shaping at the end. And right now I'm using this Diamond Frostum medium grit, and I'm going at 8 RPMs. Really depends on the type of skin that I'm working with. Normally I can go from 6 to 8, maximum 8. And one thing that I don't show you guys, and I'll tell you that every time I notice that the bit gets dry, I go ahead and dip it in the water again and again and again every single time, so that I can avoid any overheating on the skin or any discomfort. I don't want my client to feel like I'm burning her. After cleansing and priming the nails, next I am using this rubber base, and I just apply a very small drop of the base. And what I do is I distribute it with this gel brush that you guys see me using right now. And it's actually best because I am able to just apply a very thin layer, which is what I want. And next I apply a very thin layer, which is called the wetting layer, onto the first 4 fingers. And this is just me prepping for the next step, which is apply a larger bead onto each nail. Just quickly doing this. I don't waste time. I just apply it. If you guys can see, I apply it very close to the cuticles, but not that close to where it's going to flood the cuticles. I just apply it and I move on to the next finger very quickly, so that I can just start distributing. And I am able to do this, guys, because the structure, the viscosity of the gel allows me to do this. It is a hard gel from the Gel Bottle Inc. And this is the Gel Pot number 5, if I'm not mistaken. And again, I quickly, after applying the first finger, I distribute the gel all over the entire nail, just trying to make it even. Again, I'm not looking for perfection here. I'm just looking to distribute and disperse the gel all throughout the entire nail and evenly. This nail just needed a little bit more product, and that's okay. You guys can add a little more if needed. Just be sure to work at a fast manner because the other fingers are still uncured, and remember that the gel is going to be running. You're just working against the clock, and this is just a technique that you can definitely do, but you have to work fast in order for it to work and not get messy. when done with all 4 fingers and just distributing that gel, you go ahead and place the client's hand upside down, just like so, and you want to just make sure that you level the gel out as best as possible. That way you minimize filing and shaping time. After that, I just check one last time before curing all 4 nails, and once that's done, into the lamp it goes for about 60 seconds, and then I do the same exact thing on the thumb. And again, after doing all of that, you're going to notice when you're filing and shaping, you're going to take very little time because you made sure that the application of the gel was roughly decent. I'm not going to say perfect because, again, we are not looking for perfection. We're looking for speed, but at the same time, intentionally applying an even application, an even, beautiful application, not perfect. You're going to notice that you take very minimum time to file and shape, and that is what we're looking for. I'll tell you guys that after I started applying the hard gel overlay on nails this way, the maximum time that it has taken me to file and shape has been about 5 minutes on each hand. And before it used to take me longer, but when you compare that with your previous time and also together with the application, as long as it takes you less time, application plus filing and shaping, you're still winning, even though it may take you the same amount of time or just a little bit shorter time for the filing and shaping. And now I'm using the color Monogram from the Gel Bottle ink. This I'm using on all 5 fingers except the ring finger. She chose a milky color with like gold flakes. Really beautiful color. It has like kind of like a yellow undertone to it. You guys will see in a minute. That color I purchased in AliExpress online a long time ago, and I gave her 3 options because I had 3 colors just similar, just different tones, and she chose that one. And guys, we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something with this video today. And my goal is always to teach you guys something as I am learning myself. Like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!